would shine.
Hello, we are from the first group. Today
We want to make a video review about Indian food.
for the first, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Akika.
My name is Fabrika. My name is Suci.
Biryani, also known as biryani or birani, is a mixed rice dish with its origin among the Muslim of the Indian subcontinent. It can be compared to mixing a curry.
Rather combining it with semi-cooked rice quickly. This dish is especially popular throughout the Indian subcontinent, as well as among the diaspora from the region. It is also prepared in regions such as Iraqi Kurdistan. It's made with Indian spice, rice, meat, chicken, goat, beef, lamb, prawn or fish, vegetable or eggs.
She taught me patience. She handles pain. That shit's amazing. I've loved and I lost, but that's not what I see. 'Cause look what I found. No need for searching. And all that I say, thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, next, so thank you, next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking. One day I'll walk down the aisle, holding hands with my mama. I'll be thanking my dad, 'cause she grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Go make that shit last. God forbid something happens, at least this song is a smash. I got so much love, got so much patience. Learned from the pain, turned out amazing. Blazing over lost, but that's not what I see. Look what I found, ain't no need for searching. If all that I say, thank you, next, thank you, next.
So I will give the review about the food. The food is good and very delicious, but if you not really hungry, don't eat nasi biryani because it's too much, so you will feel so full.
So if you buy nasi biryani, you will get nasi biryani of course, and you will get curry and ikhlas. And about the taste, the spices are very tasty. And it's recommended for you guys if you want to, if you're very hungry and you want to try Indian food. So I recommended it. The price is not cheap and not expensive too, but it's medium. It's around 35,000.
Okay guys, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. So guys, our friend feels so full, and then look at the rice.
Look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my